Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete WhatsApp chat history. Let's get started. At first, open WhatsApp app. Now click on three-dot line. Click on Settings. Click on Chats. Now scroll down. Click on Chat History. Click on Delete all chats. Click on Delete chats. Done. By this process, you can easily delete WhatsApp chat history. Thanks for watching.